Now continuing where we've left in the last video, if we take this object append, copy the entire thing and paste in the else statement, this time we're going to have vertical right, and we keep the new position, that's all good. And obviously here we're going to change the current item to 1. After all this, we have this if new position is less than object height. So we need to go and create else statement for this one as well. Else, if obviously the position has reached the height of the object, then object fade out, and we're going to use system object fading speed, and then function, and inside of this function we use this HTML. We basically empty the wrapper, show after this, so the wrapper is back showing basically empty, and system object start. So basically we start the animation from the beginning. Now if we save the file and preview the whole thing in the browser, refresh the page, so we're drawing and then nothing's happening. Let's use the fire back and see whether there's anything happening actually if these things are appending. We did append the first one, but it simply didn't animate as far as I can see. Yeah, it stopped here for some reason. Do we have any errors? It doesn't show any errors. Let's go back. And I can see why this is happening, because we obviously didn't include the dot here to find the class, specific class. So we need to obviously make sure that item together with the new position obviously is displayed as class. So save it, go back, refresh, and there we go. Our animation is now being performed, and it's fading out at the end and starting from the beginning. That seemed to be working fine. Now one thing, when I was recording the first video, I've created a definition for the container, and this is because when I was creating this tutorial I've tried different basically options, and there was a container object, but there's not anymore. So you can remove obviously this container definition from the core.js because we're not using this in this specific animation. So that's everything in the series. Hope you enjoyed them, and obviously if you have any questions, you know what to do.